Hey everyone, welcome back to Personance. If you've ever thought about investing but felt overwhelmed or thought you needed thousands to get started, today's video is for you. I'll show you how you can start investing with just $100, step by step. Let's demystify the process and get your money working for you. First things first, why invest? Investing allows you to grow your money over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Imagine your $100 growing into $200, $500, or even more over a few years. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. And remember, you don't need to be a financial expert to start. It's easier than ever today. Now, let's break down some basic investment types in simple terms. Stocks. You're buying a small piece of a company. If the company does well, your investment grows. Exchange-traded funds. These are like baskets of stocks. Instead of investing in one company, you invest in many, which spreads your risk. Index funds. These track the performance of an entire market, like the S&P 500. They're low-cost and beginner-friendly. With just $100, you can use beginner-friendly platforms that let you start small. Here are a few options. Robinhood. Easy to use with no trading fees. Acorns. Automatically invests your spare change into exchange-traded funds. Fidelity or Vanguard, known for low fees and reliable long-term investment options. Most platforms let you open an account in minutes, and many even allow you to invest in fractions of shares, so you can own a piece of Amazon or Apple with just a few dollars. Alright, let me show you exactly how to make your first investment with $100. Sign up for a platform. Download the app, create an account, and link your bank account. Choose your investment. Start with a broad ETF, like the S&P 500 for steady growth. Set your amount. Enter $100 and confirm your purchase. Watch your money grow. Check your account occasionally, but remember, investing is for the long term. It's that simple. And if you're unsure about what to invest in, many platforms offer educational resources or even robo-advisors to guide you. Before you go, here are a few quick tips. Start small, but stay consistent. Even adding $50 a month can make a big difference over time. Avoid emotional decisions. The market goes up and down. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Keep learning. Read books, watch videos, and learn from experts to grow your knowledge. And there you have it. With just $100 and a little guidance, you can start your investing journey today. Which platform or investment type are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more money tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.